shall start for definition of medical jurisprudence and definition. Again, I am repeating. Medical jurisprudence is which deals with the application of the rules and regulations for guidance of medical profession. It is the guidance of medical profession, full stop. It is the legal aspect of practice of medicine according to Bangladesh Penal Code number 1860, 1860. Under this penal code number, all the judgments are justified in penal code, if it is in penal code. But majority of the factors deals with the NACO BMDC. Medical jurisprudence mainly deal by BMDC. If it is related with criminalship by the doctors and justice requires from court, then it is dealt under BPC number, Bangladesh Penal Code number 1860. It is also called justice through medical science. Medical science deal justice by medical science. That is under the rule of doctors' professional guidelines. Difference between forensic medicine and medical jurisprudence. Two definitions or two chapters. Actually, previously, long years together back, it was in one subject. It was under medical jurisprudence. But nowadays it is separated because subject increases and expanded much. So we have to learn what are the difference between forensic medicine and medical jurisprudence. This is a very good question for written examination. Sometimes this question is asked in written examination. Write down the difference between forensic medicine and medical jurisprudence. Difference. Number one difference, the forensic medicine deals with medical aspect of law. Lawyer under a medical aspect, all medical things are dealt in forensic medicine. But number one difference comparing with medical jurisprudence deals with the legal aspect of practice of medicine. That is work done by doctors, practice. Only practice will be dealt in medical jurisprudence. You are seeing the notes I placed before you. From here you can write in short. Forensic medicine deals with medical aspect of law, and difference is medical jurisprudence deals with the legal aspect of practice of medicine, that is practice of doctors. Number two difference, the medical personnel have to deal with the courts of law. Sometimes for as expert witness, medical personnel, doctors mainly, next maybe other personnel also required in the court of law to prove the evidence or examination or practical experiments, explanation, truly, scientifically before the court. it deals in forensic medicine. But number two, the medical personnel have deal with the ethical duties. Only ethics here in medical jurisprudence deals the ethical point of medical science for the doctors and the responsibilities that we call medical ethics and responsibilities. Together we called medical equity. Etiquette, medical etiquette, ETIQUE, double TE, etiquette, medical etiquette. Here we tell medical etiquette. So, medical jurisprudence deals responsibility of a doctor, that is called etiquette of medical science. Number three difference. There are some different subdivisions and sections that we call branches of forensic medicine. Forensic medicine has got some branches that I told yesterday, last day. Not yesterday, last lecture. In last lecture, I mentioned the branches of forensic medicine. But you know definitely, number 3, there is no separate subdivisions or ethical field of practice. No branch, only one branch, that is medical jurisprudence. Simply you can tell medical jurisprudence have no branch, but forensic medicine has got lot of branch, many branch. Next number 4, forensic medicine is applied to the people of the state. All people are related with social fact, people's right, court, treatment, everything of the life of a people, of a state is related with forensic medicine. Every aspect of life of a human being, there is forensic medicine to solve the problem or to establish the truth and to prove the falsity or untruth. Number 4, equally, medical jurisprudence is applied only to medical professionals, not the all people of the country. Only the medical professionals, doctors, nurse, and administrator of the medical science. This medical jurisprudence will be applied for the professional brothers, sisters. Now we shall discuss another small point, but it comes in examination. Mark is 1.5 and sometimes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Any
Sir,
problem?
কয়েকজন স্টুডেন্টস ঢুকতে পারতেছে না স্যার।
ঢুকতে পারতেছে না, তারা ঢোকার চেষ্টা করুক। যদি আমার এখানে পারমিশন আসে আমি এডমিশন দিয়ে দেব। ওকে
স্যার, অ্যাপ্রুভ করতে বলতেছে।
এখন হোয়াট ইজ দ্য প্রবলেম? কথা বলছো দীপ সমদ্দার?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, দেখো your problem is solved or not?
স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার, ঢুকতে পারছি।
ঢুকছে
স্যার, সলভ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আমি অ্যাডমিট দিয়ে দিয়েছি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার, ঢুকতে পারছে।
ওকে, অলরাইট, নাও we shall proceed. ঠিক আছে, কথা বলছিলে দীপ সমদ্দার? হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, all right. Now, aims of forensic medicine. What are the aims of forensic medicine? It is just little question, but we have 1.5 marks on or 2 marks. Onward in first term examination, you will see the distribution of marks according to university. SAQ question, short answering question, short answer, short, small marks, little marks. So, to know it, aims of forensic medicine, headline likhe now, aims of forensic medicine number 1, to help the administration of the country. Forensic medicine aims থাকে, ambition থাকে, goal থাকে, to help the administration of the country. তোমার definition লেখা আছে forensic medicine to help the administration of the country by applying medical knowledge with the medical knowledge to the purpose of law. To establish law, medical knowledge, scientific medical proof, you to apply for establishment of truth to the administration authority of the country. সে একটা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে একটা সেন্টেন্সে বলা হয়েছে to help the administration of the country by applying medical knowledge to the purpose of law. Number 2 ambition key, goal key. Number 2, establishment of truth, always through medical science, forensic medicine try to establish the truth. To establishment of the truth, honesty, and reality in any occurrence of the state or in the state. We will be always stand on truth, honesty, and reality, scientific reality in the any occurrence, any fact, any crime, any explanation in the state. Number 3, to prove the fact by medical scientific methods. বাংলায় বলি খামচি দিয়ে টিস্যু তুলে বায়োপসি করা হবে না। মেডিকেল সায়েন্সের সায়েন্টিফিক মেথডে সবকিছু করতে হবে এবং সেই সায়েন্টিফিক মেথডে এক্সপ্লেইন করতে হবে, এক্সামিনেশন করতে হবে, সার্চ আউট করতে হবে এবং ওপিনিয়ন দিতে হবে। নট ইন ক্রুড ওয়ে, নট ইন পাবলিক ওয়ে, নট ইন কোয়াক ওয়ে। সেই পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে টু প্রুভ দ্য ফ্যাক্ট, টু প্রুভ দ্য ট্রুথ বাই মেডিকেল সায়েন্স, মেডিকেল সায়েন্টিফিক মেথড। মেডিকেল সায়েন্সের যে মেথড আছে সেই মেথডকে অ্যাপ্লাই করে by including and excluding methods of analysis, সবকিছুকে ইনক্লুড করতে হবে অ্যাকর্ডিং টু মেথড, আবার যেটা এক্সক্লুড করতে হবে that should be noted, this is excluded by this method in scientific way. Number 4, the medical evidences, medical sciences যে কোনো ব্রাঞ্চে any evidences could be find out, বের করে নিয়ে আসতে হবে। The medical evidences could be find out to prove, প্রমাণ করার জন্য, or disprove, মিথ্যা প্রমাণ করার জন্য। প্রুভ মানে পক্ষে প্রমাণ করা, আর ডিসপ্রুভ মানে বিপক্ষে প্রমাণ করা, যেটা না এটা নয়, this is not, it is not true scientifically in medical science says, or disprove the matter of fact, ঘটনাকে, any fact, any occurrence, any explainable matter should be proved or disproved with evidence, exact evidence. Without evidence, বাংলায় বলে বাতাস ধরে কথা বললে চলবে না, it should be with evidence, প্রমাণ। So, number 5, the medical aspect of law can be studied and practiced in this subject. Medical সায়েন্সে যে সাবজেক্টগুলি আছে তার প্রত্যেক সেকশনেই ল আছে, রুলস আছে, মেথডস আছে, সেগুলি স্টাডি করতে হবে এবং সেই মতো প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। উইদাউট সায়েন্টিফিক study or practice in light of medical science, nothing will be acceptable in this subject. So all things about medical science should be studied and practiced through forensic medicine subject, through this subject. Without any rule, law, this subject will not deal any aspect of medical science. These 5 points bears 2 marks on sometimes 1.5 marks in written examination. Vivae marks depend kore according to your presentation. Now we will study or learn another point. This is also a short answering question. Scope of forensic medicine. Scope of forensic medicine. There are scope to study of scientific facts, scientific facts which are required in legal matter. Both civil and criminal cases can be fairly dealt in forensic medicine. Every fact can be scientifically dealt under this subject, whether it is criminal or civil case. Number 2, it deals all the branches of medical science in order to bring the subject in relation to the purpose of law of the country. I told also in definition, because in definition, it deals each and every branch of medical science. Your undergraduate course, it is from anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and towards gynecology, obstetrics, surgery, medicine, everywhere, forensic medicine, community medicine. 11 subjects in undergraduate course built under the law of the country. This scope is in forensic medicine. Number 3, this is the subject to establish the truth. That is, truth can be established by scientific analysis through medical knowledge. মন গড়া কোনো কথা, কোনো ভাববাদী কোনো কথা, নিজের গড়া কোনো কথা, without the relation of scientific relation of medical science, not be applied in this subject. So scope of established the truth, exact fact, scientific way through this medical knowledge. These 3 scopes is very, very present in our country, in Bangladesh. With this question, there may be add a word Bangladesh. In written examination, question write down like this: scope of forensic. Write down the scope of forensic medicine in Bangladesh. তখন you should not be nervous. In Bangladesh, that is the scope of forensic medicine throughout the world, throughout the other country, and also in Bangladesh. The same. What are the scopes? Scientific scopes to establish the truth. Main word is to establish the truth by scientific knowledge of medical science. This is the scope which is present in Bangladesh, we to tell. Next question, number 3 marks. This is very important question. Why all categories of doctors should have fair knowledge in forensic medicine? আশা করি তোমরা আবার স্লাইড দেখতে পাচ্ছ। Question is why all categories of doctors should have fair knowledge in forensic medicine, irrespective of any branch, everywhere. সেজন্য বলা হয়েছে all categories of doctors, eye department, skin department, orthopedics department, no medicine, surgery, no differences, no departments out of forensic medicine, within the range of forensic medicine. Here I tell, if you do not know anatomy, you cannot carry out surgery properly, because you have to know the relationship of muscle, tendon, artery, veins, nerves, etc. So if you do any wrong in surgery or study in anatomy, that will be problemsome. In every aspect, if you do surgery on ophthalmology, orthopedics, etc., if you do not carry out it properly or do it wrongly, then which subject, which experts will find out the doctors wrong? As for example, when a surgeon have aimed to surgery the appendicectomy, during appendicectomy, wrongly if the surgeon cut for this victim, if they are found the along with appendix, ureter also cut, and that was not ligated or something else, and you can find out as a forensic medicine specialist the wrong operation, then responsibility lies on the shoulder of surgeon. So everywhere, medicine doctor, gynae doctor, ophthalmologist, orthopedician, pediatrics, everywhere doctors should have fair knowledge in forensic medicine. Without forensic medicine knowledge, they may do wrong. Amputation of opposite finger or hands or leg is very great crime. Sometimes it has found that doctors have cut down or amputate wrong limbs, wrong fingers, wrong side. So, if it is done, compensation and punishment should be on the shoulder of surgeon. Like medicine, wrong prescription of wrong medicine, it will be proved in laboratory that dose of digital is dose of drug written in prescription by physician. If it is proved wrong, that should be proved by a specialist of forensic medicine. Sometimes doctors are asked to appear before court, before justice in the court to explain the evidence, the proof of evidence and examination reports, certificates. So, if doctors have no knowledge of forensic medicine, he or she could not appear properly in court and cannot explain the medical legal opinion. So, it is also a very important point. Doctors should know code of conduct. Onwards I shall tell. Doctor should know his or her code of conduct. That should be learned, code of conduct by Geneva Declaration, and that will I shall deliver onwards, code of conduct of doctors. So, about this, depending on these points, very good knowledge of forensic medicine should have every doctor. A terminology you to write down. Write down, this is essential for writing. Medical etiquette. What is medical etiquette? It is the conventional law of courtesy. Write down word to word. It is the conventional law of courtesy in the medical ethics among the members of the medical profession. It is the conventional law of courtesy in the medical ethics among the members of medical profession, doctors to doctors, doctors to patient, and doctors to colleagues. Relationship, good relationship. And relationship means good relationship of courtesy in the medical profession is called medical etiquette. You know, courtesy costs nothing, but by in class, courtesy costs dignity. So it is the conventional law of courtesy in the medical ethics. Of medical profession, utilization of medical etiquette. Medical etiquette definition must be asked in by a practical examination. Now, I may start, but time is short. History of forensic history of এখন last of all roll number 57 you enter for only percentage. আমরা তো এগুলো সব কাউন্ট করি পার্সেন্টেজ দেওয়ার জন্য এবং রেকর্ড করি। দিস ইজ রেকর্ডিং। রয় roll number 28, Roy 57, you have entered now. For last warning, with last warning I am giving you admission, but not onwards, never do it. At the end of the class, within 5 minutes of class it will be end, now we come. I record your roll number and name. So, this way you will not get But রোল নাম্বার 57 এখন আসছে, তাকে আমি ওয়ার্নিং দেওয়ার পর পরে এগুলো লিখে আসতেছে। কি আসছে কেটে দাও। এন্টার করো, একটু আগে ঢোকার কথা ছিল। ঠিক আছে, নাই ঠিক আছে। অ্যাগেন একটা ট্রাই করতেছিল 57, তাকে আমি আগেই অ্যাডমিট দিছি, তারপরে আবার দিয়ে দিছি। স্যার অনেক সময় নেট কানেকশন নিয়ে হয়ে গেল স্যার, আপনার ক্লাস 3:30।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
There was a net internet problem. Acha. Next onward we shall next class we shall discuss history of forensic medicine. কেউ কিছু বলতে চাও? ধন্যবাদ। রয় কি অনিয়া অল।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার। আমি তো স্যার মানে নেট প্রবলেমের কারণে ডিসকানেক্টেড হয়ে গেছিল।
Anyway, no problem. I have given admission for this time, but you to know at the end of the class, for only percentage you will enter, but you will face problem in examination. And if this is record, we are giving percentage. Now today I am considering, but onward you will alert not to do this. Otherwise there will be problems. এবং আমি কিন্তু ক্লাসের সবকিছু রেকর্ড, this class will be recorded, and if at the end of my all classes, if I open my records, what I told, what I delivered, and something informations that will be calculated before examination, you will remember. All the students are my equal. একজনে খেটে খুটে পড়বে, 1 ঘন্টা সে লাইনে থাকবে, কষ্ট করবে, আর একজনে শেষ বেলায় সে পার্সেন্টেজ চাবে, রোজ তাকে পার্সেন্টেজ দিয়ে দেবো, that will not be considered. তার নাম কি? অনন্যা রায়, অনন্যা রায়। গ্রাম বললেন হবে না, অনন্যা রায় কি যাই হোক, তোমার নাম অনন্যা রায়। J28 রোল নাম্বার 57 বসতে হবে, যেটা রেকর্ড হয়েছে। তো নো প্রবলেম ফর টুডে, আই এম টেলিং উইল স্টার্ট নেক্সট ডে। এখানে একটা কথা আমরা বলে রাখি, হিস্ট্রি অফ ফরেনসিক মেডিসিন যদি 2টা লেকচার দিই 2 ঘন্টা, তবুও শেষ হবে না, বাট সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা 2টা বা 3টে কোশ্চেন আন্ডার গ্রাজুয়েটে তোমাদের শিখাই দেবো। সেই 3টেই ডিল করে ফরেনসিক মেডিসিনের হিস্ট্রিতে পরীক্ষায়, এক্সামিনেশন। তার একটা ফ্যাক্ট হচ্ছে হিস্ট্রিক্যাল ফ্যাক্ট। অ্যাপোলো, তোমরা শুনেছো অ্যাপোলো হসপিটাল, অ্যাপোলোর সন হচ্ছে অ্যাসক্লেপিয়াস। They are the god of medicine in Greek civilization. তো অ্যাসক্লেপিয়াসের ফাদার হচ্ছে অ্যাপোলো। Apollo was the father of Asclepius. Asclepius is the main god of medicine. God, not father. Remember, god of medicine. In which civilization? Greek civilization. He had a daughter named Hygeia. Hygeia had a snake, but that snake was non-poisonous. Hygeia একটা non-poisonous snake নিয়ে খেলত। Actually we know snake are the source of poison. Asclepius established the symbol of medical science. Do you know symbol of medical science?